So you feel like quitting YouTube. You've been putting in the hours, uploading loads of videos, and nothing ever seems to work. I know exactly how that feels. It's absolutely brutal. This is your dream, and you want more than anything for it to work, but it's just not happening. What if I told you that the video that might change your life is already on your channel? I know what you must be thinking. Why should I listen to you? Because I quit my last channel, and then months later, this happened. Now, one of the most frustrating things for me over the last 4 years making content is that I never thought that my videos were getting the views they deserved. I'd been grinding for months and months and months, improving my editing, my thumbnails, my titles. I watched thousands of these YouTube education videos from these experts. And to be honest, over this few year period, my videos transformed immensely. They went from tacky videos at the start to well polished and fancy videos towards the end. But I really didn't see much change when I logged onto my analytics every evening and refreshed my video views. So I know you're frustrated right now and you want the results today on the videos that you think are really good, and they probably are, but the missing piece is probably that your audience hasn't found it yet. And the reality might be that your videos are already good enough to blow up. It's just you need some tweaks in your strategy and who you target with your videos more than the actual quality of them. But if you're in that position where you still need to level up your content and make sure it's at that level, I've put together a free creator kit right down below that can help you level that up very fast with a video checklist, script template, and more. Simply just click the link down below in the description or the pinned comment. I mentioned in the intro that I quit my YouTube channel and then things popped off later down the line. This is something that many creators completely forget. We think that our videos are completely done after 3 or 4 days normally. You get that little spike as it's going into people's sub boxes and on their home pages, and then it just completely flatlines for the rest of existence. But some videos never die. They can blow up months and years later without you having to change a thing or even uploads. In my example, early in 2024, I started a full-time job. So I really had barely any time to make videos and continue my old channel's momentum. So as much as it hurt me to do so, I kind of left it behind and then started this channel. But then I checked months later and 1 or 2 of the videos, even a load of the long form ones as well, had continued gaining views. And one of the shorts had absolutely ballooned up to over 100,000. When I quit my channel, my highest viewed video or short was 40,000 I think. And it really actually shocked me when I looked at these analytics. This video only really started going up after 2 years. And in the first 7 days or the first 10 days, it just got 50 to 100 views, like everyone gets. But the worst part about this was that I'd already quit ages before. So I couldn't really capitalize on this spike and this momentum. So maybe keep your mind open to the fact that all of your videos on your channel already aren't wasted and they aren't completely dead. I wouldn't be surprised if in 6 months you checked your analytics after you'd quit and one's fucking ballooned up, and then you'll go, oh, why didn't I continue? This leads me perfectly onto the next point. YouTube is a momentum game. You will feel invisible on YouTube for a while, but the beauty of it is all it takes is one video to spike you above all the rest and give you a whole new audience and a whole load of subscribers to take your average views from 80 views a video to 80,000 views a video. And one well-timed video with the right audience could get your channel monetized on its own and do 50 uploads worth of growth. As I mentioned, loads of successful creators have been where you are right now. For example, in the fitness niche, Matt Does Fitness made tutorials and exercise uploads for ages of him just doing a routine, not incredible quality, and also did it alongside a full-time job being a teacher, I think. And here are some of the analytics he shared a few years ago of his channel booming. Literally to incredible numbers and absolutely life-changing numbers for any of us. But he says multiple times when he was in this period back then, when people didn't really believe in YouTube, it would have been so easy to quit. I could go for days on the examples of different creators that have gone through this and were literally this close to quitting, and maybe even had more reason to quit than you because they were working as a doctor or were severely bullied for their channel. And the only thing that's going to stop you getting to the day where you see your channel blow up, or at least you get a load of momentum from a video, is if you quit. And even if you do quit this channel, it's not over. You can start again later on another channel like I've done with this one and take your skills across, and you'll be much better positioned for future success on your later content. Your YouTube goals are attainable as long as you vow to never quit on your dreams. No matter how much a 10 out of 10 video punches you in the gut and makes you feel like walking away, keep going. Find the passion in making the videos instead of the results that may come with it, and tell yourself you can.
You can! You can do it, you can!
Every successful creator has gone through what you're going through right now and has felt like quitting. The difference is they didn't throw the towel in, and that's why you see them banging it now. Just always focus on improving your videos and making sure you keep consistent. Watch this playlist right here to make sure you get your content to the level where it can start blowing up and building momentum on your channel.